Hello and welcome to another video. This time the topic is again radical equations and I have hard questions for you. Okay, the right angle triangles, one side is equals to 2 root 3 times the shortest side. So the shortest side is x. Um, and the longest side is not known, so that's 2 root 3x. What is the measure of the shortest side of the triangle if the perimeter of the triangle is 22 centimeters? Okay, so what I'll have to do is I'll have to first find out the longest side. So L square equals to x square plus 2 root 3 x squared. L squared is x squared plus 12x squared. That's 13x squared. So L is therefore x root 13. So if the perimeter is then x plus 2 root 3x plus x root 13 equals to 22. I could factor out an x. Let's see if we have that as an answer option. Otherwise, I'll have to convert all of these to decimals and then, sort of tell you what the final answer is. I think the first one is the right answer option then. Yes. Okay. Um, okay, what's fourth root of 256? 4. And let's keep that as fourth root of x power 9. In fact, I can also simplify that. So what would happen is if I was taking fourth root, I would have x power 4 into x power 4 into x. Okay. And similarly, fourth root of 81 is 3. And I would have fourth root of x power 4 and x. Okay. So this would become actually the easiest way to solve this question would be using my calculator. But since I have that constraint right now because I'm solving these on a video, I'm just going to do these manually, and this is going to become 3x root x plus root x root 52 x inside equals to 4. Okay, so this should cancel out with that, and x should also cancel out. So I have 4x over 3. I would have also sort of done that. I could have cancelled the powers of x. That would have made it easier for me. And root of 52 and then root of x. So root of x and root of x would also give me x. So 4x over 3 plus root 52x equals to 4. Factoring out an x, I get 4 plus 4 over 3 plus root of 52 equals to 4. I think I have to simplify this a little bit. So in fact, I can just put that on a calculator. Divided by, I hope it's going to work. No, it's actually not working, so I'll have to do this manually and say that what's root of 52? I think that should be 2 root 13. 2 root 13 multiplied by 3, so that's 6 root 13. So 4 multiplied by 3 over 4 plus 6 root 13. So that's 12 over 4 plus 6 root 13. Okay, is something canceling out? Let's check. I think I can reduce all of these numbers with 2. So 6 over 2 plus root 13. Again, this is all rationalized, so I don't know if my calculator will be able to do that for me, because these numbers are pretty large. No, I will have to check each of the answer options and see which one boils down to 2 minus root 13. So 2 minus root 13. I think the answer should be this. You can check with decimals. No, I got that incorrect. Okay. The answer should be that. I'm not sure of why though. Let's see if that gives, but won't that give me a negative number? 13 divided by 113 multiplied by -6. Okay, so that's the correct answer. Okay, moving on. I think I'm just going to put that on a calculator. I don't want to do that manually. But again, I will probably have to do that manually for a bit. So let's just do that. X plus 2, x minus 3 equals to half, because I'll have to check the answer options because they're in roots and everything. So x minus 3 plus x plus 2 into 2 equals to 1 into x plus 2 and x plus 3. X square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. 4x minus 2. I think that b square minus 4ac. Let's check that on a calculator what it gives us. To solve a quadratic on my calculator. I hope I've gotten the numbers right. I think that's working. Okay, more complicated. Root of 64 x squared equals to root of 2x plus 9. Okay, then root of 64x squared should be root of 8x and root of 2x plus 9. So that's 2 root 2x. Okay, and root of 2x. So 2 root 2x minus root 2x is 1 root 2x. Squaring both sides gives me 2x equals to 81, x equals to 81 over 2. Question number 5, Alex knows that the area of an equilateral triangle is this. Now, if you remember the area of equilateral, we've done that in the lecture videos, is s square root 3 over 4. So if that is equals to root of 27, s square is root of 27 multiplied by 4 divided by root 3. So that gives me root of 9. S square root of 9 into 4. Root of 9 is 3. So S equals to root of 12, which is 2 root 3. Okay, I'll have to do one of these answers again, but let's do that whenever it comes up. B equals to 2A, where A and B are constants. Okay, solve for X. So first replace, that gives me 8A and minus root of 2AB. 8A minus root of 2A and 2A and another 2A, 4A squared. What's the root of 4A squared? It's 2A. So it's 5 over 6A equals to 1 over 2x. 2 and 3. And then taking reciprocals. Is that an answer option? Yes. Okay, that sounds challenging for a bit, but I'm going to take a common denominator. So this gets multiplied with root of x plus 2 into root of x plus 2 will give me root of just x plus 2 minus 1 and then 2 root of x plus 2. That gives me x plus 1. Squaring both sides, x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals to 2x plus 4x plus 2. X squared plus 2x plus 1 equals to 4x plus 8. X squared minus 2x minus 7. Okay. That should be the correct answer then. Question number 3. Square root of x plus 3. Cube root of x plus 3. So 3 and 3 cancel out. Square root of x equals to cube root of x plus 4. Now, to be honest, I can just put that on my calculator and get this done with. Otherwise, I'll have to do a bit of trial and error to do this question and, sort of go into multiple powers. I'll have to first square it to get x plus 4 powers 2 over 3, and then I'll have to cube it. Okay, so that gives me x cubed equals to x squared plus 8x plus 16. Now that's a cubic equation to solve. I can do that too. I'll have to do that on my calculator since I don't know how to solve cubic equations. I would have also done this directly on my calculator without even squaring and everything. And using the solver, I would have gotten the right answer. Solve. Say 4 and then 2 and 1 real roots. So 4 is the real answer. Okay, this one is again a quadratic of sorts. So x over x plus 5 minus 3 over x minus 5. I'm going to take 2 to the other side and add it up. So x plus 5 and x minus 5, x into x minus 5 minus 3 into x plus 5. So x squared minus 5x minus 3x minus 15. 18 into x squared minus 25. So I have 18x squared. What's 25 into 18? Let's just multiply and see here only. 450. It's minus 8x. So I get 17x squared plus 8x minus 435. Okay, so I'm getting 4.82. I will have to check which of these answer options is 4.82 and minus 5.299. Or I could do a simple I think I'm getting one of these numbers wrong. Let's check if we've done it correctly. I don't want to get this wrong. It's a simple expression. And I want to see if my numbers are correct, basically. Plus 8x minus 435. Yeah. Okay. So let's just go on and see. It's just about taking a root and then solving. We factored out a 4, so it's minus 4 minus. That should be the correct answer. It's just about verifying these from a calculator. I'm running out of time, so I'm just doing this quickly. Okay. So that gives me root of 4x plus half. So root of 2x plus 1. Okay. That gives me 2 root x equals to, okay, now what's the best way to solve this? Okay, root 2 root x equals to 1 minus half gives me half. If I factor out the root x, I get 2 minus root 2. Okay, why am I not getting all these 3's and all of that? Let me just check. My answer is radically different from what I would get from here. I'm not getting 8's and all of those. So I'm getting root of 4x from here and root of 2x from here. The root of 4 gives me 2 and root of 2 gives me root of 2 and x separately. Okay, let's again check if I've done everything correctly. Okay, so far so good. That's the answer that I have as well. Let's see what they do from there, and let's see if they get a correct answer. Okay, so I want to find the value of x. Okay, that makes sense then. I still have to square it, you see? Square. So square. So 1 over 4, 2 minus root 2 squared. Let's just do 2 minus root 2 squared on our calculator. 6 minus 4 root 2. Okay. It's 4 into 6 minus 4 root 2. Okay, I have to go back and check if I've still missed something. Okay, for 1 over 4, I've just not missed anything. It's just I haven't factored out. So I'm going to get 8 outside and 3 minus root 2 out. That should be the correct answer. Oh, okay, still messed it up. 1 over 8, not 1 over 4. Okay, let's complete these hard questions once more and see if we can get all of them right this time. I think this was the answer to that. And I just got this wrong, so that's the answer. That's the answer to this one. And that's the answer to this one. I don't know if it's going to allow me to level up. Not yet. 2 root 3, 3 over 5. I remember all the answers. That's why I'm doing them quickly. Okay, so I don't remember the answer to this one. But it was 4, I think. Yeah, 4. I created a cubic equation. That got me 4. Okay, that should be the end of hard questions. They were actually time consuming and a little difficult at times. Make sure that you understand the questions before you move on to the next topic. Thank you for watching.